Hello, my name is Rosie and this is Rosie's Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Take and Toss 6-month and up sippy cups that I got for Joshua. I got these sippy cups because they weren't that pricey and because it's the first time that I buy him sippy cups. They don't have that handlebar for the babies to grab on, but I still like it because I'm teaching Joshua how to hold the cup by itself. So right now what I'm doing is I am putting the purified water that I used to make his baby bottles, and I am attaching the top of the lid of the sippy cups. I like these cups just because they're inexpensive. I got them off Amazon and it was an add-on item. So it ships free for more than $25. It ships for free. I like them also because they're very lightweight. The name says take and toss, which means that if they are left behind, you don't really worry about it just because it comes about 6 cups. Well, it does come in 6 cups and 6 different lids. So you can trade them and use the red on the blue, the red on the orange and yellow. See right here, I'm showing Joshua to hold his own cup. He's 9 months, so right now it's hard for him to hold the cup. He doesn't get the concept yet that he needs to have the cup upward so the water runs down, but he likes it. Here are the different colors and the different lids. I will leave the link on the product if you want to check it out. They aren't matching though. The blue doesn't have a blue lid, but like I said, they're disposable, so it's a good starter item. Later I will buy the baby one with ears, but for right now I think this will do. I've tried water so far. I haven't tried anything else, but if the baby has it like angling down, the water won't really come out. The water will come out, but the lid won't. I highly recommend this product.